Africa's operating environments are among the most challenging in the world. When emergencies happen, response cannot fail. IME introduces a new category of capability, a fully integrated first response platform designed to operate where others cannot. Current response systems are failing at scale. Across South Africa and beyond, we are seeing increasing disasters, infrastructure breakdown, and high-risk events. Response is often delayed, fragmented, and uncoordinated. The result is simple: lives are lost, and economic damage escalates. Globally, response vehicles exist, but each solves only one part of the problem. Fire vehicles focus on rescue. Ambulances focus on medical care. Command centers focus on coordination. Tactical vehicles focus on durability. No single platform brings all of these together. That is the gap IME addresses. This is the IME First Response 6x6 Land Cruiser. Designed, engineered, and manufactured in South Africa, it is built as a modular, scalable platform for national deployment and global export. Where others stop, this platform continues. It is designed for real-world African conditions, remote areas, unstable terrain, and infrastructure-deficient environments. Access is no longer a limitation. From arrival to control in minutes. The unit deploys immediately, establishes command on site, and enables a structured, coordinated response. This reduces chaos and improves decision-making at the point of crisis. This is where IME stands apart globally. This is not just a vehicle. It is a fully integrated response system. It combines extreme mobility, on-site command and control, multi-role adaptability, rapid deployment capability, independent power systems, all in one platform. No other solution combines these capabilities into a single, deployable unit. This creates a significant national and global opportunity. Demand exists across emergency services, defense, and disaster management. The platform is scalable and designed for export into SADC, the Middle East, and beyond. The primary users are clear: SAPS, SANDF, and provincial disaster management, with expansion into the humanitarian and international response sectors. This is more than a response solution. It is a national capability. Each unit creates jobs, builds technical skills, and strengthens local industry. It supports supplier development and drives long-term economic growth. Our approach is structured and aligned with government programs. We begin with the SPY program, validating the concept through prototyping, testing, and real-world deployment. We then move into pilot deployments, followed by the BIS program for full industrial-scale manufacturing. This ensures controlled risk and proven capability before scaling. The model is commercially viable, with strong margins, scalable unit economics, and a growing revenue pipeline. This platform is built for long-term sustainability. We are building a South African manufacturing capability. This includes scalable local production, skills development, expansion of local supply chains, all aligned with national industrialization objectives. When everything goes wrong, the response must be immediate, coordinated, and effective. This is not just another emergency vehicle. This is a unified response platform designed to take control, save lives, and strengthen national resilience. One platform, multiple missions, total response control.